Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect CG dropshipping to TikTok shop. Now, if you live in the United States or any country in the world and you want to start dropshipping on TikTok, this video is for you. I'm also going to show you guys step by step at the end of this video how you can start this business. Okay, now first let me show you guys how you can connect CG to your TikTok shop. Okay, first thing you need to do, guys, you need to create a TikTok shop. That's the first thing you need to do. So what you guys need, you just need to search on Google for create TikTok shop account, okay, or set up TikTok shop account. Now don't click on the first result because this result is sponsored. As you can see, it says sponsored. What you need to do is scroll down a little bit and click on set up TikTok shop using Seller Center. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to create an account on like TikTok, on like you just need to create a shop. Okay, what you guys need, as you can see, before getting started, TikTok Commerce is a pilot program that is available for selected markets and platforms. Currently, TikTok Seller Center is available in Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. So this this business is only if you can only dropship on TikTok if you live in one of these countries. Again, it's all like if you are from United States, you can connect CG to you can connect CG to your TikTok shop. If you live in Vietnam, you can do that. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, it says here, go to the TikTok Seller Center, and you want to select your country here. For people in the UK, they have to go to this link. For people in the United States, they have to go to this link. So if you live in the United States, you want to go to this link and you want to set up your TikTok shop. Okay, enter here your email, or you can sign up with your TikTok account. Now after you set up your TikTok shop, you want to go to CG dropshipping and you want to click on authorization. And if you live in the United States, you want to select TikTok shop USA. Now if you live in another country, you want to select TikTok shop. Okay, and then what you guys need, you want to click on add store. Okay, you want to click on add store and you want to click on OK, and it will take you directly, guys, to your TikTok shop, so that you can connect it to your you can connect. Just select here which country you live in. Like I said, if you live in one of these countries, you will be able, guys, to connect CG to your TikTok shop. As you can see, only 7 countries are available. Now you just need to log in into that account, and then you will be able to connect CG with TikTok. Now after that, you can then go find any product you've on CG, and you can start importing products. But I would highly recommend watching the video in the screen right now. It's from my friend. It will show you guys in that video every single thing about how you can start importing products, how you can set up a TikTok shop. Just click the video in the screen and drop a like on this one, and see you guys in the next video.